Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy with AB. This is the fourth part of the video and we have been studying Modulus. Those who have not seen the earlier three videos of Modulus, I will request you to go through those and then come back to this video. In this video, we will be taking complex problems of Modulus and solving it graphically. Let us see the next example. Y is equal to mod 2x minus 4. Somebody is asking you to draw the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 4. As I told you, forget mod. So what you will think, this becomes y is equal to 2x minus 4. Let's draw the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 4. X axis, this is y axis. So if x equals 0, so let us draw. If x equals 0, y becomes minus 4. So this will be 0, y is equal to minus 4. If y equals 0, x will become 2. So these are the 2 points. So one is 0 comma minus 4 and one is 2 comma 0. So these are the 2 points. So 2 comma 0 is this and 0 comma minus 4 is here. 0 comma minus 4 is here. 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 4. Just 2 points are needed to draw a straight line and we join these 2 points. So this becomes the graph of, this is the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now I apply mod, what will happen? You need to omit this part. And this part will become the mirror image. So where was it cutting? At minus 4. So this point will be how much? 0 comma 4 plus 4. So this is the mirror image. So this distance will be equal to this distance. Maybe it is not showing here, but understand it for your clarity. So this point, this distance will be 4. This distance is also 4. So this point is 0 minus 4. This graph goes, this becomes the graph. So I am drawing the graph again over here. So here you saw this was 2 comma 0 and this is one line that has come up and this is the second line and this point is 0. So this will be plus 4. You understood it? Since it is in the positive side, so this will be plus 4. So this was a simple example we saw for modulus function, how you can draw the graph. Let us take some critical examples and understand how to solve problems. The mod function. So the question is, solve for x, 2x mod 2x minus 3 equals x plus 1. So the question is, find x and also find the number of solutions. So what is the meaning of find the number of solutions? I told you it is how many values of x exist for this. There can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see how many values of x will come. There can be no values. There can be no values means no solution. So 2x mod 2x minus 3 equals x plus 1. So I told you when you get an equal to sign, what you have to do? You have to draw this part and you have to draw this part separately and you have to see at how many points these two graphs cut each other. So first will be y equals mod 2x minus 3. You have to draw this graph. I'll separate this over here. And another is y is equal to x plus 1. So these are the two graphs which we have to draw and see at how many points these two graphs cut each other. So at first let us draw the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 3. So this is mod again. So let us move into this second. Let us draw the graph because very easy it is. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So simple graph this will be. This is x axis, this is y axis. X is 0, y is 1. So this is the point. 0 comma plus 1. This is 1. Y is 0, x is minus 1. So x minus 1 is here. So this becomes the graph. So this is 1, this is 1. This is origin 0 comma 0. Yeah. So this is the graph for y is equal to x plus 1. So keep that into consideration. Y is equal to mod 2x minus 3. I told you y is equal to 2x minus 3 first you have to draw. So if x equals 0, y becomes minus 3. If y is 0, x becomes 3 by 2. Clear? So I'll draw this graph. Yeah. So just understand this x axis, this is y axis. X is 0, y is minus 3. Y is minus 3. So this is 1 point. If y is 0, x is 3 by 2, which is 1.5, 3 by 2. So this is the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 3. I'll not take another graph to give the mod function. Simply I'll draw it over here. So this becomes 3. This becomes the mod function. This part goes away. Mirror image, because we are applying mod function over here, and this is the graph for y is equal to mod 2x minus 3. Now you need to note one point over here. This line, the equation of this line is y is equal to 2x minus 3, and the equation of this line is y is equal to 2x minus 3 was there, a minus sign will come in front. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 3 minus 2x. It is very simple. So I'll tell you what. So say for example, this is y is equal to mod x, right? This is y is equal to mod x. This line is y is equal to x. Just a minus sign comes for this. So this is y is equal to minus x. It is very simple. So we saw earlier examples. Let me show you that. Say for example, this was the line. So this was y is equal to 2x minus 4. This line was y is equal to 2x minus 4, entire line. Mod function comes, this part goes. So equation of this line is what? Y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Just a minus sign comes, so minus 2x, and this minus becomes plus. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x. The equation of this line is y is equal to this one. So you understood this. I think this must be very clear to you all. So going by this, so now we have this line and this line. So I'll quickly do what? I'll quickly align these into one graph. I'll squeeze both of these into one graph. So now we will plot these two graphs into one. So I'm just taking this graph. So this is x, this is y. So let us draw this graph first. So this graph let us take first. So this graph is this. Yeah. So this is 1, this is minus 1. So you drew this graph. So this graph is done. Let us see this graph into consideration. So this was cutting at 3 by 2. Yeah, so 3 by 2. And so the equation of this line was already we saw before what? Y is equal to, I'll write it, y is equal to x plus 1. And this was cutting at 3 by 2. So one line went this side. And another line was cutting at 3, right? You saw it, one line was cutting at 3. So this will cut at 3 and this will go this way. So that's it. The equation of this line was y is equal to 2x minus 3. And the equation of this line was y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So now let's combine both into one graph and analyze this. Yeah. So let us see this one. So now this is the graph. So I'll just with the help of another line I'll show you. So basically this is one graph which you are seeing over here, and this is the second graph. So now you have to find the solution. So now you can clearly see that this graph cuts at one point is over here, and possibly one part can be somewhere here where it will cut. So these are the 2 points of intersection which we are seeing. So how to find the point of intersection is very easy. You need to solve simultaneous equation, which you must have learnt in earlier classes in class 7, 8. Generally you go through that. So the equation of this line is y equals 3 minus 2x. The equation of this line is y is equal to 3 minus 2x. The equation of this line is y is equal to x plus 1. So you need to solve both of this to get this point. So you will get some value of y and you will get some value of x. Clearly the value of x will lie in between 0 and 3 by 2. So let's solve this. So y is equal to 3x, 3 minus 2x, y is equal to x plus 1. Both are equal. So how 3 minus 2x equals x plus 1? So let's move it. 1 moves this side. So 3 minus 1 equals 3x. 2 equals 3x. So x becomes equal to 2 by 3. So this point is x equals 2 by 3. So this is the value of x. And for the value of y, simply put the value of x in one equation. So y will say, for example, y is equal to x plus 1. Put the value of x as 2 by 3 plus 1. So simply you get 5 by 3. So y is over here 5 by 3. So one point of intersection is 2 by 3 comma 5 by 3. Value of x, one solution, value of x is 2 by 3. So this is one solution. Let us see some other solution. So you are also suspecting that y is equal to 2x minus 3 will also cut this line. This line equation was y is equal to x plus 1. This is y is equal to 2x minus 3. Y is equal to x plus 1, and now y is equal to 2x minus 3 is also being suspected to intersect each other. Let's solve this equation. X plus 1 equals 2x minus 3. So x becomes equal to 4. So they cut each other at x equals 4. So somewhere where they will cut, that point will be x is equal to 4. And if x is equal to 4, y, value of y is x plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So at 4 comma 5 both will intersect. So this is 4 and they will get somewhere at 5. So leave that one. So there will be two values of x. So for the value of x is equal to 4, you are getting the value of y is equal to 5. So we are not interested over here in this question to find the value of y. So the value of x is what we want. So you saw for one value of x was equal to 2 by 3 and another value of x you are getting is x is equal to 4. So one value of x is 2 by 3, another is x is equal to 4. So there are two solutions for the equation. And what was the equation? The equation was x plus 1 equals mod of 2x minus 3. This was the question. And for this we have two values of x. One is 2 by 3, one is 4. So this is the solution for this equation. Hope this video was clear to you. If you like the video, do share, do subscribe, do like the video. Thank you for your time, learners. We'll get back with another video of Modulus next time. Thank you so much.